So
AC heat's brand new.
we got right here a complete conversion from a Ford.
Cummins or a Frankenstein.
Cummins or Frankenstein, but it's got a Cummins engine.
This will be the first time it's ever been on the internet.
Ford F250.
Four-wheel drive.
Four-wheel drive. And this is a custom complete build. What's this? Is an intercooler?
Intercooler from a 97 Dodge.
97 Dodge.
12 valve Cummins with the P7100 pump.
Yeah.
Air filter custom is out of a 2017 F250. That's out of the power steering filter reservoir is out of a motorhome. That is a mobile Delback 382 fuel filter out of a semi truck.
Right here?
Yep, out of a semi truck.
That's a fuel filter out of a semi truck?
Yep.
This thing's turbocharged, right?
Yep, yeah, that's what the intercooler is.
Okay.
That's what that piping is right there.
This thing right here,
yep.
That's the intercooler? Okay, and then you put aftermarket AC, that's here.
An aftermarket AC, yeah.
Aftermarket AC, well, that thing's hot.
Yeah, the radiator, yeah, this truck runs at 180 to 190.
And then you got your light bar right
that
here.
Thing's awesome.
Light bar. And then we got a
18,000 pound winch.
18,000 pound
that pulls
winch.
this truck around like a tin can,
yeah,
which is
and
amazingly awesome.
We also got the custom gnarly bumper.
Yeah, half-inch plate.
Half-inch plate. So there you go. And this is a 94.
86.
Oh, it's an 86.
Ford F250.
F250.
With about a 95 12 valve.
Right. What are these things for?
Hood latch. Custom.
Custom hood latches. Interesting.
I'm going to put a safety on it and everything. I just haven't done it yet.
Okay. All right. And what about the brake?
Brakes are all hydraulic.
But I mean, is that custom?
Yeah, it's custom. Yeah, no, it's not. Factory used to have a brake booster.
Used to have a brake booster.
I convert. That's what that plate is right there. That is a 1.5-inch plate. Right. That I had to weld and drill a hole and tap and everything that steps it back, I think, an inch, 1.5 inches. So this booster lines up to the pedal correctly. So I had to make an adapter plate for it.
Wow.
Yeah, check out the shifter. Shifter's all I haven't finished the inside, but shifter is a piece of chain with a piston. A pulling pro piston, so you'd be pulling like a pro.
Oh, that's a custom-made chain welded with a piston on top.
Yeah, I'm finishing it. I still gotta do the dash. The dash ain't done yet.
That's okay.
I'm pulling the dash out, putting some tubing and everything in it.
Yeah, and then
high lift jack. I've designed this truck to be jacked up with a high lift jack now.
Okay, and you got
the front, back, rear, everything. Yeah, it's got a fifth wheel.
It's got a fifth wheel in the truck here too. And then we got the good old fire extinguisher.
It's never a bad idea to have a fire extinguisher.
Not a bad idea. So there you go, guys. It's a lot of work.
Yeah, it was.
A lot of work, but months and months. But that's it. It's a 86 Ford with a turbocharged.
It's a Franken truck.
With a turbocharged Cummins engine out of RV.